This is a workflow that will allow you to see right in your orders list view which orders come from repeat customers. And we've also added in some little spending tiers in there that you can define here in the workflow in this section, these tiers, the dollar amounts, and the tag that is going to go on there. I saw this request from someone that was wanting to see this quickly at a glance right in the order list view. Obviously, once you're in an order, you can see the number of orders they've placed there and you can click into it. But they wanted to just see that as a glance in the order list view. So that's what this workflow is all about. And so here's how it works. Triggers on order created, grabs the customer, list of orders, and then got those tiers in there, counts them up, sums up the total spend, and generates the tags here in the code, a little bit of custom code, and then it adds those tags onto the order. And here is a test run that we can see. Let's put it to the test. Ooh, 50 total orders for this guy. Sheesh, over 1,000. All right, big spender for this guy. So yeah, so that's how that works. And as always, you can find these on the automation demos section of the blog. Click in there, download the workflow zip file, and you can drop it into your account by just hitting import and dragging the zip file in there. Let us know if you need any help setting that up, and happy automating. Sounds so weird. Happy automating. Stay classy, San Diego.